Welcome! In this video, we are going to introduce Agilesites, a framework for rapid development with Oracle Web Center sites. Here, you can see the command line interface and integrated development environment. We are using Eclipse, but you can choose a different one. An important feature of Agilesites is continuous compilation, activated by the command wcs package jar. Here you can see the feature in action. After activating the command, I select the editor and then I go into it. When I change a line of code and save it, the code is immediately recompiled. Look at the video. I am doing a small edit and then I save. You can see what happens in the command line without intervention. Let's see how this impacts real-world development. Once continuous compilation is enabled, I can change the code and see the results without having to do anything else except saving. In the video, you see the template applied shows only a simple text. Switching to the editor, I locate a line of code which selects the underlying HTML, and I change it to a second one. Now, with a simple flip on-off of the preview switch, I use the modified code with the changed HTML, and I can see the results. HTML templates are actually pretty powerful. You can use the simple mustache syntax to automatically extract content from the CMS. I am now locating title and subtitle literal text in HTML and replacing it with a maker, surrounding the text with double braces. That is enough to trigger automatic extraction of properly named attributes. Switching to the form, I can see the actual value of the title and subtitle attribute. As you can see, the value of the title attribute is home and the value of the subtitle attribute is home page. Switching back to the preview, since continuous compilation is active, I can see the results of the change in the HTML. Now attributes are extracted from the CMS. The title is home and the subtitle is home page. I am now going to show the use of the inside editing, enabling the appropriate code for supporting it. Note the edit string method call for editing a string and the edit text method call to edit a longer block of text. I now test this code switching from the form to the preview. I am able to click on the text and edit it in place. As you can see, I am doing this for the title and the subtitle. Note, the summary is a string that I can edit. For the detailed text, instead I choose to edit it with the embedded HTML editor. Clicking on the data shows a rich text editor. Editing is enabled also for multiply attributes. In the example in the video, now I am doing an in-place editing for a couple of multiply attributes, taser title and taser text. Switching to the preview, I can edit each indexed attribute independently. Of course, you can render images pretty easily. The code enabled replace the source of an image with a blob extracted from the CMS. Coming back to the form, I can see how the image displayed is actually the image stored in the CMS. In this example, I am now enabling the code to use slots. A slot is a placeholder in the preview page where you can drag another asset. I switch now to the preview, and where I enable the slot, I see there is a message asking to place a page in it. I drag and drop operation a page in the slot, and that is enough to link another page to the current one. As you can see, the preview displays now the linked assets, rendered as summaries. The framework includes a few navigation elements. In the code, I simply enable some codes to display the menu, the site plan tree, and the breadcrumb. As you can see, here the structure of the rendered tree is the same of the site plan tree. I focus now on the top menu, where there are 3 links listed. Those 3 links are actually the pages in the top level of the site plan. Agilesites includes a test runner to perform unit testing on the templates. There are tests for the various templates. I can just invoke the test runner to execute them and verify the integrity of the content model, business logic, and HTML.